Good evening, people. Welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll. So I'm at Disney Springs and I'm gonna be going to a concert here at House of Blues for the very first time, and I'm super excited. It's gonna be a Linkin Park tribute with Limp Bizkit. Got invited by some friends, so I'm very, very excited because I've never been to a concert here. I've been to so many other concerts all over the place, but first time to this one. So, but when I walking through Disney Springs, we're gonna stop and watch this little musician like by in front of the AMC real quick. Since I'm a little bit early, the concert don't start till 7 o'clock. So, oh yeah, and if you guys bring bags, do not bring any big bags because they won't allow it inside the venue. So just keep that in mind if you're bringing bags. Like I like to bring my little like fanny pack, and that's about it. So I can't wait to see it. They do have a gift shop and a restaurant bar, but let's go check out the merch inside the House of Blues gift shop. I'm curious to see. Please do not stand and climb on statues. People really do that in here. So they have some House of Blues t-shirts over here. Oh, I like this one. This design looks cool. That retro t-shirt for $4.95. Let's see what else they have. Some more House of Blues t-shirts. Pretty neat. Let's see what's on this side. So what other shirts they have over here. They even got shirts for little kids too. That's pretty neat. Is that a pancake? Haha, that's cool. So the line stretches all the way at the back of Disney Springs to where Jaleo is. It's crazy. And they haven't let anybody in yet. The concert started about 10 minutes ago and the line still hasn't moved. It's pretty wild. So this is cool for the Linkin Park tribute concert. They have some of the merch here. I like how it's all tie-dye. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else do they have over here. They got some Nookie. That's pretty cool.
Limp Bizkit is in the house. Bring it on. Elevation neck, elevation train, learning the child to a wiggle break. I'ma do this my way, it's my way.
So since the concert ended really late, decided to do a one-night quick little staycation at Hilton Buena Vista hotel, like 5 minutes from Disney Springs. So I'm doing a little quick tour because I'm really tired. It's like midnight. But this is gonna be the sink area. You provide with lotion. That's the tub, toilet. And over here is the bedroom. Do have a lamp and plugs, phone, the bed, TV, and let's see, a coffee maker, and more plugs by the lamps. And I like this big giant lamp by the couch. They got a USB right here, a little plug-in, and then, well, it's gonna be hard to see. Oh, we have a little balcony. Oh, this view is pretty. Wow. And they got a lazy river here. Right? Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you that I wasn't allowed to bring my big camera in because there's a big sign that says no video cameras. So I pretty much recorded everything on my iPhone. The show was really long. It started at 7, but after like 11 o'clock, I was ready to go. Like Limp Bizkit tribute show was the last band to come on. Linkin Park show came on second, and then I forgot the other band that was first. But it was really long. It was fun, but it was just really long. I preferred it though more like when I went to the Hard Rock to see the real Limp Bizkit live. That was crazy. That was a fun rock concert. But this was good. It was just longer than I expected. And then when I was leaving, like the crowd from the drone show at Disney Springs happened the same time I was leaving the House of Blues. So I was caught up in that traffic, plus getting out the garage. It was just a mess. But overall, still had a fantastic time. I'm gonna head to Disney tomorrow because I'm gonna renew my annual pass and play probably in Epcot or Hollywood Studios or something. So journey along with me as we head to the park tomorrow. Good morning. It's currently the next day, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick resort tour. Show you the pool lobby and what else they have over here because I didn't get to do it last night. I was just too tired. So this is where the main lobby when you first walk in. I like how like this seating area has a lot of plugins because if you need to charge your phone, you can. They have USBs and regular plugs here. And then it's very quiet because it's like early in the morning. Most people are probably at the parks right now. And then this is the check-in desk over here. They do have a bar over here called Sunny's, but it's not open right now. And then that hallway straight ahead is where you take the elevators to go up to the room. At this resort, oh, my camera's fogging up. But staying at this resort, you do get free transportation to the parks. So there's the Disney shuttles, which is back here in this courtyard area. Man, the AC's fogging up my camera. And then over here is their fitness gym. It says register as guests only. Since there's not really anybody in it, let's go. Let's see. What's that? Well, actually, I'm lying. There are a couple people in here, so I don't really want to film too much. But yeah, they have their towels here, and then they have a water refill machine. Alright, just wanted a quick tour. That's cool. They have a game room. I love these claw machines, but they're so hard to get any of these things. You can even win like pop sockets over here too. Okay. Some more claw game machines. Wow, you can even win a gigantic Minnie Mouse here. And then they have a little convenience store, so if you forget anything, you can come in here and get like souvenirs. Let's see what's in the back over here. You can use suntan lotion. I love the Sunburn brand, pretty good. Any medicine. They got magnets, but I don't need more magnets. I have so many in my fridge. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they even have the bog bags back there. It's pretty cool. Oh, this is their quick service grab and go section, like a little convenience store, and it's cool because you can get like hot sandwiches. Look, Laura said like at Publix. So I just came out of the Citrus, which is their quick service place, and then I came out on this bridge over here, so I'm gonna check out the pool area. And it's so nice. The weather is so nice for now. There's supposed to be a storm coming later, but I'm gonna enjoy the sunny weather while I can, so it's cool. So we are somewhere up there. So this area is where you can play some games, hang out on the lawn chair. And then back over here is their pool bar, but like I said, I don't think it's open because it's really early right now. And it's so cool. Over here is going to be their main pool, which I'm going to show you in a sec. Beautiful day out right now. So this is their pool. It's just one pool, and then next to it is the lazy river, which I'll show in a sec. I found the lazy river, and there is like plenty of floaties to go around. So you just grab one of these and then you just go all the way around, which is pretty cool. I didn't bring my bathing suit because I thought the storm was gonna come early, but it's cool. It's nice. So now I'm in Epcot, but I'm waiting for the next Encanto show to start at 11:15. But we're gonna check out the new Communicore Hall. It's like an area you can sit down, relax, get away from the sun for a little bit. So let's go in for a little bit.
Speaking of, does anyone know what primo means? Shout it out. Cousin, muy bien. And speaking of our amazing primos, we have someone here today to help us get the party started. Everyone, let's hear a round of applause for our amazing primos.
Qué bueno que llegaron justo a tiempo. And now that everybody is here, we are ready to play some Encantrivia. And you know what that is. That's Encanto and Trivia blended together. So let's see if you know your stuff. Here we go. First question. Mirabel has dos hermanas. What does hermana mean? Sister!
Muy bien.
Family Madrigal, the home of the family Madrigal.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be my little quick short trip to Epcot. Mainly just saw the Encanto show, checked out the commemorative hall, just to cool off because it's really hot outside, and took one lap around the Royal Show place, and that was it. I didn't do any rides, the lines are long. I thought the storm was gonna come, but the rain still hasn't came. It's still sunny. Oh look, it's a monorail going by. But yeah, had a fun little stay at the Hilton Buena Vista place. And the concert last night was fun, but like I said, it was just really long. I didn't think all the bands was gonna be there till like probably, I don't know what time it ended. I'm assuming it ended at midnight. I didn't stay for the rest of the Limp Bizkit, their tribute show, because I was there till 7 and it was like already after 11 and it was still going on. I was like, whoa, I'm used to concert being like 2 hours or something. But it was fun, so I had a fun time there at the House of Blues. Enjoyed a little staycation at the Hilton, and then quick trip to Epcot, and then renewed my pass, so I have another year of being a pass holder at Walt Disney World. But I'll be back another time, you know. I don't have to like cram everything one day. So I hope you guys enjoy this little trip with me. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next adventure. Bye.